B-17 Flying Fortress Bomber Deployment for Deterrence in Conflict Zones. The B-17 Flying Fortress Bomber is a symbol of tenacity and courage in the history of military aviation. Its use as a deterrent in conflict zones has played a vital role in the United States' strategy to maintain stability and provide support to allies in various theaters of war. The B-17 Flying Fortress, manufactured by the Boeing Company, is one of the iconic bomber aircraft of World War II. Its power and ability to carry large bomb loads made it a highly effective aircraft in strategic bombing operations. During World War II, the B-17 Flying Fortress became the backbone of the aerial bombing campaign conducted by the United States and allies in Europe and the Pacific region. It was involved in long-range bombing missions involving attacks on industrial installations, military bases, and other strategic targets in enemy territory. The B-17 Flying Fortress is also involved in deterrence operations in the European zone. These aircraft conducted airstrikes to weaken Nazi Germany's infrastructure, helped disrupt enemy supply lines, and provided support in easing the advance of Allied forces. One of the many important missions of the B-17 was Operation Argonaut, where the aircraft launched an attack on an aircraft factory in Wiener Neustadt, Austria, on August 10, 1943. This operation experienced success in damaging enemy fighter production. In the Pacific theater of war, the B-17 also played an important role in supporting the United States military effort against the Empire of Japan. It was involved in airstrikes targeting Japanese air bases and other strategic facilities, putting immense pressure on the enemy in the region. The deployment of the B-17 Flying Fortress bomber for deterrence purposes in conflict zones illustrates the historical importance and success achieved in using air power as an instrument to achieve strategic objectives. Its ability to carry large bomb loads, carry out long-range missions, and apply pressure on the enemy in various theaters of war played a vital role in supporting the success of the United States and allies during World War II. With its strong legacy in multiple theaters of battle, the B-17 Flying Fortress use as a deterrent in conflict zones remains an example of how it was integral in sustaining stability and success in the global conflicts of the era.